Side hustles have become increasingly popular as they offer both financial security and opportunities for personal growth. By diversifying your income streams, you safeguard yourself against economic uncertainties and create a cushion for unexpected expenses. Beyond financial benefits, side hustles enable you to explore and develop passions or skills that your primary job might not fulfill. They can lead to new career opportunities, network expansion, and valuable life experiences. In today's fast-paced world, a side hustle acts as both a safety net and a platform for personal and professional enrichment. Identifying your unique skills and talents is the first step in finding the perfect side hustle. Start by conducting a self-assessment to understand your strengths and interests. Use tools like personality tests, skill inventories, and feedback from others to gain a clear picture of what you excel at. Reflect on past experiences, hobbies, and areas where you have received recognition. This process will help you uncover hidden talents and align your side hustle with your passions, ensuring that it is not only lucrative, but also fulfilling and enjoyable. Once you have identified your skills, the next step is to explore side hustle options that match your strengths. Popular choices include freelancing in fields like writing, graphic design, or programming, where you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Teaching and tutoring are excellent options if you have expertise in a particular subject, with opportunities available both online and offline. Other options include starting a blog, selling handmade crafts, or investing in real estate. The key is to find a hustle that not only fits your skills, but also excites you. Evaluating the profitability and time commitment of potential side hustles is crucial for making an informed decision. Start by researching the typical earnings for each option and calculate how much you can realistically make based on your available time. Consider the initial investment required, ongoing costs, and potential revenue. Also, think about how much time each task will take and whether it fits into your current schedule. Balance is key. Finding a side hustle that is both profitable and manageable ensures you can sustain it over the long term without burning out. Making an informed decision about your side hustle involves several key steps. First, list the pros and cons of each option to clearly see the benefits and drawbacks. Align your choice with your long-term goals, whether it's financial freedom, skill development, or career change. Start small to test the waters without significant risk. This trial period allows you to gauge interest and profitability before investing more time and resources. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose a side hustle that not only aligns with your skills, but also supports your overall life objectives.